So in this video, I'm going to create a score widget because I hate printing to the screen. I want to make sure that I just put that to a widget right away. So I'm going to create a widget blueprint. Is extensible by users through the... Wait, what? The user widget is extensible by users. Okay then, let's do it. And I'm going to call this, I guess, my score underscore widget. Maybe I'm going to double click it. I have no idea how this has changed. Oh my god. Wow, this is actually quite different. Jesus. Jesus. How do I see where my stuff is? Oh, this is really weird. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly drag some text here. Oh, well, what do you know? Okay, alrighty. My text. Well, whoa, what the fork? I haven't done this. Okay, what if I delete that? My score widget. I must need a canvas. Canvas panel. Let's go ahead and drag that. There we go. Okay. Okay, now that I've added a canvas, I guess I can drag my text onto that canvas. Good. And I'm going to go ahead and pin this to the, or anchor it to the bottom left. Let's make this a little bit bigger and scoot this down. There we go. And I guess I'm just going to do this the dumbest way possible because I will get this later. Score. Score, that's always going to be the same. Let's go ahead and set the font to... Do I have any other kinds of fonts? No, not yet. Set the font to 88. 88's a good number. Okay. And then I'm going to add another piece of text here. Set that to 88. And I'm going to set that to... There we go. My score. Let's start it off at 0, 0, 0. Now let's turn this into a variable. My score. Whoops, that's not how you spell score. Set that to a variable so that when we go into our graph here, let's see how I want to do this. Yeah. We are going to add, we're going to need to start communicating a little bit more with things. So let me go to my blueprints, and I'm going to add a blueprint interface. Blueprint interface, and this is going to be used to communicate between my trash and all the stuff, my character and my widgets. So I'm going to call this Powie's interface. And the function is going to be set score. Let me go ahead and call this set score interface. Compile that and save that. And okay, gotta go to my trash. I don't think I need it on the trash yet. I'm gonna go to my score widget, and I essentially go to my class settings, and under interfaces down here in the bottom left in the details, oh, it's not on the right anymore. I'm just gonna add my interface, and it was set score, is that right? No, Powie's interface. Okay, well, why am I doing that? So that I can drag this Nope. Add? Nope. Oh, God. Compile? Save? Go to my implemented interface. Oh, come here, compile, save, set score. So this should be a function. I haven't done this in a while. Okay, what if I say set score? Set score interface call function. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. No. I want to have set score interface. No. Every time. So this is, I think this is new. Add event. Set score interface. That's the one. Yes, of course. When I do that. Okay, so there's a couple other things I want to do. Event construct, I actually do want to now go back to my, I want to connect to my third person character. So let's say, I want to get my player character, and then I'm going to drag off of the return node. I'm going to say cast to, cast to, what's my third person character's name? I thought it was Powie. My Powie, oh my god. Cast to my Powie. And let's just go ahead and convert that to a pure cast. And we are going to promote this to a variable, and we're going to call it my character. There we go. Okay, so why am I going to do this? There we go. So that when I set score interface, I am going to grab my variable, which is my score. Get it? Set text. And what am I going to set the text to? Well, I'm going to get my character, get my score, and set that. Okay. It's so that the only time I'm going to change this is when I run over, do something that needs score setting. I'm going to cast to, I'm going to do the set score interface. Okay. Compile that. It's fine. It's fine. Not really seeing anything yet, so we don't see the score yet. So how am I going to do that? Well, what I'm going to do is maybe go to, I could do it different ways. Maybe I'll do it. Oh, do I have open level blueprint? I'll do it in the level blueprint for right now. I'm not sure why I wouldn't. On event begin play, I'm going to create widget. And which widget am I going to create? The my score widget. Let's delete that tick. And the return value, we're going to promote that to a variable called my widget, my score widget. And then we are going to add to viewport. Okay. And just to see what this little bit of code does, let's see. Add score widget to viewport. There. When we play, it should add my score. There it is. Good job. Okay. Now notice the score is 4, but my score didn't update at all. So we have to tell the trash to update that score. So we are going to do that right where it says print string. That's kind of like the same thing, except instead of printing, what we're going to do is we are going to call that function that I had in Powie's interface, set score interface. Right, so as soon as we pick that up, we are going to set score interface, and it just so happens it knows that it's going to be that message, okay? Now, what is the target? The target is actually got to be something. And this is something I don't really love, but whatever. And I need to get the widget that is currently on. So you know what? I'm actually going to take it off of the... I'm going to take it off of here. Yeah, I don't want it on there anymore. I actually want it on my Powie character BP, and in my event graph, I'm going to create on event begin play. This is where I'm going to create the widget. It's going to be my score widget. I'm going to promote that to a variable, call it my score widget. And you'll see why that's important later. And then we're going to add to viewport. And the reason why that's helpful, here I'll show you why. Let's see, add score widget to viewport, is so that when I'm in the trash BP, this is my trash BP, and I'm in the event graph, I can now say, oops, you know what? Let's do this. We need to add an event begin play. So as soon as this trash is formed, I want to cast to my Powie character BP. The object is get player character. And with this, I'm going to promote that to a variable called my character. Now, why would I do that? Why would I do that? So that down here, when I set this score, I'm going to grab my character, get it. I'm going to say get my score widget, and that is the thing that we are going to work with. And now I think I don't even have to do anything else. I'm not going to destroy the actor. I'm just going to see if that works. It should work. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Play. Boop. Nope, it didn't. Not sure why it didn't. Oh, ha ha ha. It didn't because I forgot to add it +1. Okay, so this score comes after this. I don't need this print string. I don't need this. I do want to add it, get my score +1, and once I plus that, I'm going to, yeah, update the widget. Compile that, save it. Okay, let's see. Let's go over this. 1, 2, and it only does it once per each. And so why am I able to only do it once? Well, let's come back here, come back to my trash, and then of course we're going to destroy actor. There. Push play, come here, boop, score 1, score 2, score 3. Okay, good. That's all I wanted to set up for now. I might do something else with that tonight, not sure.